Hello friends, today we are going to learn one of the multi-bagger company, that is Indo-Borax and Chemical Limited. Many people are aware this Indo-Borax and Chemical Limited is famous for borax product and boric acid, but they are very aware of lithium hydroxide product. There is a heavy demand for borax boric acid product, but today I am going to uncover the gem which is having a tremendous potential in the years to come. The product which they produce is lithium hydroxide. So this lithium hydroxide monohydrate used in the manufacturing of lubricating greases, dyestuff and specialty rinse, as component of electrolyte in alkaline battery, starting material for other lithium compound, as chemical agent for esterification. Okay, why this is a gem? We need to observe these two factors. As component of electrolyte in alkaline battery, starting material for lithium compound. As we are aware, government focus will be electric vehicles, and in the world all major governments, they are focusing towards electric vehicles. There is an article in Money Control where it is explained lithium, its importance in EV batteries, where India is placed and the China factor. So what is lithium? So lithium is the lightest known metal and is the least dense solid element which is used in lithium ion battery. Lithium is extracted from mineral found in igneous rocks composed of large rocks, spodumene, or in water with high concentration of lithium carbonate. So that means lithium carbonate is important to get lithium for lithium ion batteries. Is there any alternative for lithium carbonate? Yes, that is available. That is lithium hydroxide is an alternative to lithium carbonate, and demand for lithium hydroxide is increasing. EV industry analysts expect lithium hydroxide demand to exceed that of lithium carbonate in view of development in battery technology. Lithium hydroxide is seen as a better performer than carbonate in batteries, increasing their performance and lifespan. This is very important. This is because higher temperature is required to synthesize cathode material with lithium carbonate. This damages the crystal structure of the cathode and changes the oxidation state of the nickel metal in the battery. While producers extracting lithium from spodumene, a method that is on the rise, can use either carbonate or hydroxide process. So, in Spain, a project found that producing lithium hydroxide from spodumene cost lower than producing lithium carbonate from brines. So, for lithium ion battery manufacturer, lithium hydroxide is the preferred raw material compared to lithium carbonate. One due to cost, another due to performance and lifespan. So question, where India stands? What is the reason for Chinese dominance in lithium? There are few reasons for this. One, spodumene in the form of concentrate is exported to China for processing. From there, it is sent to Japan and South Korea to produce battery packs. China processes 89% of the total lithium hydroxide available in the market. Okay, so the trend going to be electric vehicles. And if you see, the price trend, lithium price trend, lithium carbonate trends. May 2018 it was at 20, it is reduced by end of 2020. Again in the beginning of Jan 2021, and after that it is increasing. Similarly, lithium hydroxide, if you see the chart, same pattern. Price is decreasing from May 2018, and from Jan 2021 onwards, lithium hydroxide monohydrate prices are increasing. Now let us come back. See, your company Indo-Borax and Chemical Limited producing one gem product, that is lithium hydroxide and monohydrate. Its demand is increasing, its price is increasing. So think about the profitability which is going to improve quarter on quarter and year on year. It is going to declare result on 14th of June. Current price is 1250. If you see in BSE site, you can see current price is 1257. It has given a very good breakout. In 1 week time, it is going to declare a dividend. It is going to declare result, annual result and quarterly result, and it is going to split from face value 10 to either 1 or 2. Again, that will add up to a boost to the price of this company. And if you see, its face value is 10, equity base is very less, 3.21. If you see December quarter, sales 46,000, profit after tax 10 crore. So imagine, just imagine, with this small sale, they were able to generate a big profit. Okay, in January to March time, they are going to further increase the profit. Hence, they are declaring the dividend. You can expect a very good dividend. This share price is currently undervalued. So it is going to reach rupees 2000 plus. I have given the reason for it, the emerging trend in India and in the world, the demand for lithium hydroxide, which currently this company mainly focuses on boric acid and borax and boric acid. Its demand also very high in glass industry due to COVID. Ceramic is in boom, and also it is used as a micronutrients in pesticide. That demand also very good. The real growth will happen 2022, 2021, 2022 onwards. So just watch out this share. It is going to be a gem. It will give multifold returns. Reason is simple. Face value is high, equity base is very low, sales with very less sales, it is making very good profit. Then you can imagine where the share price should be. If you see here, if you compare the other company with this much sale, 1800, it is generating 37 crore profit. But with lit sales, it is making this so much profit. So it will become multi-bagger. Its OVM and NPM both are excellent. Its results are very positive. Financial trends are very positive. And you will see soon the price trading around rupees 2000 plus. I am very confident on this because I studied the price, lithium carbonate price, lithium hydroxide price, similarly emerging trend, and this company produces that. Just imagine. Keep patience, do your own research. Thank you.